Hi, it's Frank here with Springer's Adventures, coming to you from around the Defiance, Augusta area, wine country, about an hour or so northwest of St. Louis, Missouri. It's full foliage time up here. The leaves are just a beautiful color, so if you're up in this area right now, you want to get out and check the leaves. We decided to take the old Springer out for a ride today. It is just gorgeous out here. It's the end of October, so if you're up in that area, catch them now before the leaves start falling. Just figured to give you a little ride around, show you how it looks. I hope you enjoy it, and get up there. Let's go check it out. Well, I hope you enjoyed that little ride around in the wine country around Augusta, Missouri, up there northwest of St. Louis. If you enjoyed it, don't forget, give me a thumbs up. Have any comments, leave them below. By all means, subscribe. And hey, thanks so much. And you never know, you might just see us riding around in the wine country of Missouri. Take care.